Hi, how are you?
I'm good. You?
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Ready for breakfast?
Yes, I'm ready.
What will you eat?
Cereal and milk.
Did you brush teeth?
Not yet, Mom.
Go brush them now.
Okay, I'll go.
Do you need help?
No, I don't.
Was breakfast tasty?
Yes, very tasty.
What's next on schedule?
Time for school.
Have your backpack ready?
Yes, it's ready.
Did you pack lunch?
Yes, I did.
What did you pack?
Sandwich and fruit.
Do you need water?
Yes, please, Mom.
How's your homework?
It's all done.
Ready for the bus?
Yes, I'm ready.
Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Back from school now?
Yes, I'm back.
How was school today?
It was good.
Learn anything new?
Yes, lots today.
What's your favorite subject?
I love math.
Did you do projects?
Yes, we did.
Want a snack now?
Yes, I'm hungry.
What would you like?
An apple, please.
Did you wash hands?
Not yet, Mom.
Go wash them first.
Okay, I will.
How was your snack?
It was good.
Homework time now?
Yes, it's time.
Need any help?
No, I'm fine.
What subject first?
Science today.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I do.
Finished your homework?
Almost done.
Need more help?
No, thank you.
Ready for dinner soon?
Yes, almost ready.
Set the table, please.
Sure, I will.
What did you learn?
New science facts.
Share one with me?
Stars are hot.
That's interesting, honey.
Yes, very cool.
Did you enjoy dinner?
Yes, I did.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta.
Ready for bed soon?
Yes, soon, Mom.
Brush your teeth now?
Yes, I will.
Did you brush hair?
Not yet, Mom.
Go brush it, please.
Okay, I will.
Want a bedtime story?
Yes, please, Mom.
Which story tonight?
The fairy tale.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, very much.
Ready to sleep now?
Yes, I am.
Good night, sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom.
How was your day?
It was great.
What did you enjoy?
Playing with friends.
Did you exercise?
Yes, we did.
What exercise today?
Running laps.
Was it fun?
Yes, very fun.
Did you feel tired?
A little bit.
What's your favorite game?
I love tag.
Did you drink water?
Yes, I did.
Want some fruit?
Yes, please, Mom.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I do.
How about oranges?
They're good too.
Did you finish chores?
Not yet, Mom.
What chores left?
Clean my room.
Need help with that?
No, I'm okay.
What's your favorite toy?
My teddy bear.
Do you read books?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite book?
I love Charlotte's Web.
Did you read today?
Yes, a little.
How was your book?
It was great.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I do.
What did you draw?
A big tree.
Is it beautiful?
Yes, very beautiful.
Can I see it?
Yes, here it is.
It's really nice.
Thanks, Mom.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite song?
Twinkle, twinkle.
Do you sing often?
Yes, I do.
Did you sing today?
Yes, I did.
What song today?
Happy birthday.
What's your hobby?
I love painting.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite sport?
I love soccer.
Do you play often?
Yes, I do.
When do you play?
After school.
With friends or alone?
With friends, Mom.
Did you play today?
Yes, I did.
Was it fun?
Yes, very fun.
Did you win?
Yes, we did.
How do you feel?
Very happy, Mom.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Frozen.
Who's your favorite character?
I love Elsa.
Did you watch today?
No, not today.
Want to watch later?
Yes, please, Mom.
After dinner, okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, a little.
Ready for bed soon?
Yes, I am.
Did you enjoy today?
Yes, very much.
What's your best part?
Playing with friends.
Do you love school?
Yes, I do.
What's tomorrow's plan?
More schoolwork.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Did you learn manners?
Yes, I did.
What's good manners?
Saying please and thank you.
Do you practice them?
Yes, I do.
Are you polite?
Yes, always, Mom.
That's great, honey.
Thanks, Mom.
Do you share toys?
Yes, I do.
Is sharing important?
Yes, it is.
Why is it important?
It shows kindness.
Do you help others?
Yes, I do.
How do you help?
By sharing things.
Do you like helping?
Yes, very much.
What's your bedtime?
8 p.m., Mom.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I do.
How many hours?
8 hours, Mom.
Is sleep important?
Yes, it is.
Why is it important?
It gives energy.
Do you feel rested?
Yes, I do.
Ready for tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like them?
Fresh start, Mom.
Do you wake early?
Yes, I do.
How do you wake up?
With an alarm.
What's your routine?
Brush, breakfast, school.
Do you eat healthy?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat?
Fruits and vegetables.
Do you drink water?
Yes, a lot.
How many glasses?
8 glasses, Mom.
Is water important?
Yes, very important.
Why is it important?
Keeps me hydrated.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I do.
What exercises?
Running and jumping.
Do you enjoy them?
Yes, very much.
Why do you exercise?
To stay healthy.
What's your favorite?
Jump rope, Mom.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I do.
Which sport?
Soccer, Mom.
Do you have practice?
Yes, twice weekly.
Do you have teammates?
Yes, many friends.
Do you like team?
Yes, love them.
Do you enjoy playing?
Yes, very much.
What's the best part?
Scoring goals.
Do you win often?
Yes, we do.
Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
Do you read nightly?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite?
Fairy tales, Mom.
Do you like stories?
Yes, love them.
Do they relax you?
Yes, very much.
Do you read alone?
Sometimes, yes.
Want me to read?
Yes, please, Mom.
Ready for bed now?
Yes, I am.
Brush teeth first?
Yes, I will.
Did you change clothes?
Yes, pajamas on.
Did you say prayers?
Not yet, Mom.
Go ahead, honey.
Okay, I will.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, a bit.
Ready to sleep now?
Yes, I am.
Need anything else?
No, I'm good.
Good night, sweetie.
Good night, Mom.